basis, hello, Living Light for the first Sunday of Advent, which is also December 1. We have no rehearsal the Thursday before we sing this anthem because that is Thanksgiving Day. And unless I'm coming over for turkey, I'm not going to see you. All right, so Living Light. Couple things. The notes for this anthem will be on sheets on the first pew of the choir loft as usual. And they're done. I'm so happy. But they are also included at the bottom of this, the email to which this link is attached. So you can access them there. Just in case you weren't here Saturday, there are some word changes. Bottom of 7, brighter than the Star of Bethlehem, scratch out the word is and put the word was. So that phrase reads, brighter than the Star of Bethlehem was your, turn the page, radiance on, scratch out the word this and write the word that. Radiance on that night. A thing happens. Let me see if it happens on page 6. No. Yes, on the bottom of page 5, your very last note on the bottom of 5 is an A. And your first note at the top of 6 is an A flat. Make a note, like write A flat here in the margin on page 5 at the bottom or something so you don't forget to slur down a half step. The same thing happens on page 9, measure 71 at the bottom. In measure 71, your second note is a B, and in measure 72, you slur down a half step to a B flat. So don't want you to miss that. On page 10 at the bottom where it says a solo, that will be all women, FYI, so you know what to expect. And then at the top of 11, the Holy Child. We will sing the word child for that whole measure on an ah, and we will scratch out the word we, which is the last word in the first line at 11. The Holy Child, and at the bottom of the page, your first two words will be born that. So that phrase, starting in 86, will read, the Holy Child born that night. In measure 87 at the top of 11, there are middle small notes. Scratch those out. No one's going to sing those. Those are doubled in the alto. At the bottom of the page, also middle small notes. Scratch those out. Those are doubled in the alto. And I see something here. I need to make a note. All right. Okay, let's give it a whirl. Then I'm done for today and I get to go home. And since I'm still in my All Saints, whatever I had for All Saints, very nice job today. Just everybody good. Oh, and there's my I voted sticker. Actually, I voted like absentee ballot already mailed and already received. But I went with my granddaughter, Lucy, who's 18, and today was the first time she voted. And she would not have gone if I had not gone with her. So it was great. All right, here we are then, beginning, and the men start at the bottom of 3. I'm going to start at measure 21, the second line, right? Measure 21, and you'll come in at the end of that line. rest, rest. Lift. 1, 2, 3. Top of 7. Lift. Carry. 1, 2, 3. Lift. Carry this over. Lift. Slur down. Rest, rest. 1, 2, 3. Here you go. Lift. 1, 2, 3. The ladies sing here. Here you go. Oh, go ahead and go down. I would like Dyke and David to go down the rest of the bases. So the last, the Holy Child, Dyke and David, right there, the Holy Child. And Porteous and Ken Elstone and whoever else is in that section that is not Dyke or David. Ready? Top of page 11, the Holy Child. And then come up. There it is. Thank you, gentlemen, very much.